What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for jumping in. It is Sunday night, April 20th, and we are getting ready for Monday morning crunch time, guys. Just wanted to spend a few minutes sharing with you guys what I'm going to be looking at tomorrow morning as far as day trade stocks and understanding a little bit about what the market has for us. Guys, I'm just going to say right now, when the market opens up tomorrow morning, be careful. There's a lot of stuff going on this weekend in the news. We've been pretty much shut down from the stock market for Good Friday all the way through the weekend holiday. And you never know what we're going to come across Monday morning when the market opens back up. Do your research first thing early in the morning and take a look at the pre-market and understand what's happening with the stocks that you like, if you have specific stocks that you look at, as well as the stocks that I always recommend to you guys. Please remember, this is not financial advice. This is just my opinion and me sharing with you the stocks that I'm getting in and out of, that I trade in, that make me the most money. First and foremost, guys, we're going to be looking again tomorrow morning at WULF. Wolf is a stock that I love to get into and in and out of every single day. And as you can see from the chart, we kind of left off the weekend into the pre-market, closing market, post-market, where it ran and has continued to run sort of horizontal. Okay, we closed out at $2.35 per share, and after market, it closed at 8 p.m. on Thursday at $2.33. Okay, if you kind of look at the trend here, and guys, ignore all my resistance and support lines on here, but you can see, despite the one day where we had a lot of concern and questions about what the tariffs were doing, it still continued to have that up run. And then the next day had the up run, and then a beautiful day, up run Thursday, all the way through, where you had a great potential to make money. And in my prior video that we made last week, I talked a little bit, even though I said, hey, on Friday, this is where I'll be, forgetting it was Good Friday. Just talked about what you could have done as far as profiting in WULF on Thursday. So now we get a great opportunity Monday. Understand the candlestick patterns. Look at your charting. By the way, there's a video that is in process. We're making it right now as far as simplified charting. It's so simple, so easy. We're going to put a video out for you guys to help with that. And you won't see all this mess on here. I have very strategic lines for support and resistance. But at the end of the day, I'm going to explain to you exactly how I look at it from the top part, the highest resistance level, to your support level, so you know how to trade in and out of a stock and understand what it's doing. But Wolf is a great opportunity, okay? The next one we're going to be looking at, guys, and let me get here, is, where is it? APLD, okay? APLD, we feel pretty confident. All right, we closed the market at $3.95 on Friday. It's hung and stuck at aftermarket, $3.95. We're pretty certain it's going to break through the $4 mark. I cleared all my resistance and support lines on this chart because, to be quite honest with you, I'm recharting this whole thing, APLD, because after we had this major drop down, a couple days worth of drop downs with the NVIDIA news and other news about tech market and even APLD's earnings, I wanted to kind of see where we fall back to a bottom. Where is that support level going to be? And it looks like, if we're looking at this together, and I'll just go ahead and do this with you guys. My support line right now is right here, okay, at about $3.29. That's going to be my support, okay? My new, right now, line of resistance is about $4.11, okay? I'm pretty confident we're going to break through that tomorrow. So if we run over a little bit and we draw the actual support line, the way I would have it flow, it'd be about here, and we're at $5.51. Guys, I am very excited for APLD to get back to the $5, $6, $7, $8, $10 range. And I'm going to sit patiently in it. I'm going to continue to day trade it. But I'm excited because I know that this company is strong. Despite what's been going on, they've got some great things happening and coming up here in the future. And APLD is a winner all day long. And I recommend to you guys, in my opinion, that you continue to look at this tomorrow morning as a day trade. Okay. The other one that I'm going to tell you guys to look at, and I will definitely be in, is Ford. Now, not a lot of people like Ford. It's the ticker F. I like Ford. I've made a lot of money in Ford. I drive a Ford King Ranch. That doesn't have anything to do with the stock, but I'm just telling you, I like Ford and I like the stock. And it had a great Thursday, a great couple days in the market, despite, again, following that same trend line with the SPY, which was kind of weird. But you can see the SPY here, my yellow line. But Ford is one definitely to keep an eye on Monday morning. Now, I do want to share something with you guys, something that I have been looking at, and it's ILLR. Okay, this is Triller Group. Do your homework about Triller Group. Triller is actually a social media platform that many celebrity musicians are in, and these musicians are using it as a platform for basically making music, creating music, like almost like a studio. And there was talks at one point that it would be a replacement for TikTok, but we know obviously TikTok's not going anywhere despite all the talk and news about it. But Triller Group is coming on pretty strong. They've got some pretty good news that came out the last few days. This stock, when I first started looking at it, and I have a very good friend of mine who actually is a major shareholder in this company, but they were at about 43 cents when he first brought it up to me. And I'm trying to go back. It's been probably about a month ago, but they were at about 43 cents. I've got friends that got in it at 60, some got in at 75. I've been holding off. I've been wanting to kind of understand exactly what it's going to do. Personally, though, I'm telling you guys right now, at $1.23, and depending what it does tomorrow morning with opening, I'm going to be getting into Triller, ILLR, because it does have the potential to go anywhere up to $5 and $10. My opinion, it may totally bomb, guys. It may drop to 5 cents per share. So don't get in it because of me. Do some homework, do some research. But I think this is one of those stocks that's going to be a winner. And I'm going to probably purchase a decent amount of shares. Nothing that I would be super concerned about. I know what my risk tolerance is, and I'm going to get in it because I do believe, based on what I'm hearing and what I think is going to happen in the next couple weeks with a potential negotiation that they're in right now with another social media platform, that this could be a really good stock to be in. You guys decide. Just wanted to throw it out there to you guys. And obviously for long term, guys, I know a lot of people are not happy with Palantir. They think Palantir may be sort of at its wit's end. It may be continuing to drop. I still like Palantir. I still think Palantir is one of those stocks that is really very good and has the potential to bounce back. Okay. Let's see, Palantir, it's at $94.17 right now. Okay. I mean, listen, this stock was trading over $100. It's still a great company. But again, there's a lot of volatility. So keep an eye on it. Okay. The other ones we're going to be looking at, of course, are NVIDIA. I'm in NVIDIA. It's at $101.28. I'm in it higher than that. I'm in it, I think, at about $107 per share. I doubled down and bought more shares of it as it dropped down to about $100. And I'm excited for NVIDIA. It's going to come back. There's a lot going on in the market and the news right now for NVIDIA, but keep an eye on it because I think it's one that's a home run. Another one that has earning this week is Tesla. Okay. I'm in Tesla right now as well. And I don't know what Tesla's going to do. I'll be honest with you guys. I've been sort of watching it up and down and all the stuff with Elon Musk and what's going on. But I think it's Thursday this week. We've got earnings. So I'm going to be watching it to see what it does. And depending on what happens in the morning or what happens over the next couple of days, I might find potential and buy in more shares and see how it runs. But anyway, guys, long-term holds, nothing I'm day trading. Look at Wolf, WULF. Look at Ford. It's the ticker F. Look at APLD. And those are probably the three main ones. Obviously, SoFi is another one that you can take a look at. It's doing very well. It's at $11.07 right now. This is not a day trader for me, although it does do very well as a day trade. This is one of my longer-term holds. And it's doing extremely well. And I think there's room for SoFi to continue to grow. But anyway, guys, again, just my opinion. Hey, listen, if you have not subscribed to this channel yet, please hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and click the notification bell so you'll be notified every time we drop a new video. Guys, thank you so much. Happy Easter. Happy Sunday night. Happy Resurrection Day. Whatever you're celebrating, guys, have a great night. Looking forward to seeing and talking to you guys tomorrow. Josh out.